welcome back to Highwayman Trucking. We are at the Flying J Eagle Landing here in Mesquite, Nevada. And wow, the gentleman that does these Eagle Landings, I have to say, does an amazing job. And not only amazing job at the station, we're going to go ahead and take you in. We had an awesome shower. You won't believe this bathroom. But the views around are amazing, and his facilities are so clean, and the people are just awesome. So I'm going to turn the camera around, give you a little walk and tour through. So there's a Wendy's, a Chester's Chicken, and a Mr. Taco. We're going to try the Mr. Taco. And because we're here in Nevada, there are some slot machines, an actual liquor store. Straight across the way, there's a Road Runner tire and alignment. Plenty of basic fuel. And we're going to go ahead and go inside and show you what they have to offer inside. I'm going to walk down here, see if our food is ready. Not yet, so I'll give you a tour around. A lot of novelty items here. Oh, I love that. Krispy Kreme donuts. Fairly decent sized liquor store here. Shakes. This is the truck fuel island out here. I'll show you that in a bit. They have a beer cave, Fox News playing. The showers were back here. Have a look at the showers. Amazing. Okay, I do not know what's going on with truck stops, but you've got to be kidding me. This is awesome. We are at Eagle Landing Truck Stop Flying J here in Mesquite, Nevada. Check this out. All of a sudden, bidets in truck stops. Boy, we're getting lucky with the bathrooms. We've got some hooks. Check the shower out. I mean, and clearly the size of this bathroom is like...
They don't give you another towel for the floor though.
Oh well, okay. So they offer 2 towels and a washcloth. Normally they give you a bath mat for the shower, but I am not at all complaining here, because if you can see the depth and size of this bathroom. All right, well, I'll show you the rest in a bit. Okay, something I overlooked when I first got in here. I was just so excited over the whole system. Whoa, that's a pretty... All right, let's let it rain.
Oh, I didn't even see that one.
Is that crazy or what? Yeah. Right. I'm filming again. You see that face? Alrighty, so coming out, there's several showers. They all apparently look exactly the same. The washer and dryer, the only problem is, and I hate to complain, there's 4 washers, 4 dryers, and the only complaint is they do not have a folding table. This Eagle Landing here in Mesquite, Nevada is an awesome, awesome, convenient truck stop. Wendy's. And Mr. Taco. So we're going to order some Mr. Taco. Get a better picture. And they have a Wendy's, so we're going to get some food ordered, and then I'll show you the rest of truck stop. And there's Chester's Chicken here. They have
shower guests, your shower is now ready. Please proceed to shower 2.
Yeah, a nice maintained truck stop. And the bonus is they offer free Wi-Fi. Many of these Flying J's have blockers on their Wi-Fi, which is frustrating. And they offer the password so you can get free Wi-Fi. Basic Wendy's here. And the Mr. Taco. And we're looking forward to this. All right, our food is coming, and I think we're going to get to eating here. So we're editing again, but kind of neat here in the Whitby's. It has a nice little area, and over on the wall they actually have hookups to charge your stuff. So if you're a trucker out on the road and you need to do some work, great place to do it. So this is the truck side of the fueling islands of the Eagle Pass. And it has a lot of truck parking, well lit at night. And like I said, it's actually a very beautiful view. So what did you think of the place? Amazing, isn't it? If you liked our videos, please subscribe. If you want to be notified for future videos, ring the bell. Have a blessed day.